So like I said, you need a good approach for you to learn to become a driver, for you to pass the driving test. Number one, always be ready for the driving lessons. So when you're having driving lessons with a driving instructor or with a family member or friends, don't just wake up and go to the lesson without being prepared, without being ready for the lesson. You should be ready for the lesson. So if your lesson is at 10 o'clock, you should prepare yourself at 9:30. Wake up, get ready, make sure mentally you are ready for the lesson. Make sure you put the right clothes on. Every occasion has a clothes. When you go to the lesson, you need to feel comfortable, right? You need to be flexible. You don't want to wear something you feel tight, you feel uncomfortable. So all those things are part of the approach, the way you learn to drive, okay? So be prepared, be ready for the lesson, and make sure you put the right clothes on, the right shoes on. Shoe makes a huge difference when you're learning in a manual car, because you're dealing with the clutch. You need to feel the clutch. Also, even if you're learning in an automatic, you need to feel how much gas you're giving, how much brake you are giving. So your shoes makes a difference. Okay, so be mentally ready, physically ready, knowing I've got a lesson today at 10, have the right clothes on, have the right shoe on, and be ready for the lesson. That's number one.